everybody, welcome back to my art channel. In this video I want to talk about how to do the best storyboard you can. Your storyboard is however you need, and a golden rule for a storyboard is being clear. You have to mention all the details. We use a storyboard in different medias like shooting movies or making animations and picture books. We are going to talk about picture books. As you know, I've been recently busy with a personal project which I'm working on a picture book about Mr. Brown's fantastic hat. I shared you the process of creating characters for this book in previous videos, and in this video I'm going to step forward one more level and design the storyboard. Storyboard is like a map for your journey. You'd probably get lost if you start a road trip without a map. So when you want to start your job as an illustrator and you want to work on a picture book, you have to have discipline and schedule everything. And designing a storyboard is exactly what makes you feel clear about your project. As the first step, you should read the text over and over and highlight the most important parts. And after that, you should determine the parts that you'd like to make pictures for them. After making your decision about the text and the important parts, start searching different picture books and take a look at them and try to find the similar situation in your story and in the books that you are looking at them without caring about the concept. Just try to find your own story in their pictures. Now it's time to do some sketches of your ideas and whatever you imagine and whatever you find in your researches. And don't feel like that you only have to make a few sketches. Do a lot, maybe 10 till 30, I don't know, just sketch a lot and a lot. The next level is making more precise sketch. I personally prefer to depict the storyboard on a huge piece of paper in real size. It can make me feel more comfortable with creating and drawing details. There are more to say, but I think it's enough for today, and please go to my channel and watch my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think about my videos in the comments. Thank you. See you.